Almost. Got it. Almost. Almost.
Are you okay, Image 2?
I wish I had giant muscles like Super Dude. Then I...
Whoa! Look at me now!
Gecko? What happened to...
World! Watch this! Oh, come on. Just a little further. Oh, this is not working at all. So...
Ho!
I know of a place.
My favorite toy. I don't know my own strength.
You can't catch us, Muscle Gecko.
Uh-oh. A little help?
We need to make him
Being huge is way too hard. I want to be...
The label says you have to sweat it out with a good, normal workout. To normal. I'm fast and agile again. Yay! Woohoo! See? You don't need giant muscles to be strong. Real strength is being healthy and in...
Now on, I'll stick to my normal push-ups.
Today is a very special day at the PJ Masks HQ.
I'm making the perfect mom card. And we are gonna clean the whole base so she can relax. Super Cat speed cleaning. Let's do it.
Was a bit too slow. Vroom vroom! Super Vacuum Racer, ready to...
I'll be the co-pilot. To the kitchen, Catboy. It's too fast, narrator says. They turned a chore into a high-speed race.
Perfect. Nice.
What?
Oh no! The vacuum racer was out of control. You're making a bigger mess!
Stop it! Super Cat brakes aren't working!
Woohoo! Ah! Look out for the ball pit!
Vacuum was eating everything in sight.
Stop that machine right now! Ah! Whoa! Whoa!
The vacuum had eaten too much! It was about...
Oops. This is why we don't play around when we're doing chores. We made a bigger mess.
You're right, Owlette.
So they work together as a team. The right way.
Ooh. Hard work pays off!
It's perfectly ready for Mother's Day.
Makes the dream work.
Great job, heroes. It's a beautiful day, and the PJ Masks have found the biggest seesaw ever. I'm going first.
Uh-oh. Catboy is too light to move it alone.
Super Gecko Muscles to the rescue!
That might have been too much power. How can they ride it without launching each other into space?
Maybe we're missing something. It's all about physics. We need balance. All right, sit exactly here. Right in the middle. Perfect. We have a winner. Perfect balance.
Acho.
Acho. Can Owlette save the seesaw ride?
Hold steady, guys.
Oh, thank goodness. Finally. You got this. Okay, here we go. Nice job. Narrator says, teamwork and a little bit of physics makes playing fun.
Thanks for helping us balance.
You're welcome. Ta-da! Whoa, that was fun. Ha, indeed. See you next time for more balanced adventures.
Oh no, Image 3 has the dreaded polka dot sneezes.
We need to save you.
Let's rewind and see how we can fix this.
Just need some rest. Operation Get Well is a go!
Oh! Music heals everything!
Maybe loud music isn't the best medicine. Shh.
Soup time!
That's time!
No!
Oh, is Image 2 gonna drop the super soup? That doesn't look like normal soup.
We are doing this all wrong. Huh? I'm too tired.
Fresh air will help. Let's get this place cleared out. Let's get this place cleared out.
That's a bit too much air. Can Image 1 stop the Mega Breeze? Oh no! It broke!
Got it! Oh! Oh! Huh! Foo! Foo!
You just want quiet, don't you?
Quiet, don't you?
Sometimes the best help is just being there quietly. Now this is perfect teamwork. I feel great. I feel great.
learned that listening to your friends is the best medicine. If you love helping others, smash that subscribe button.
Narrator says, Catboy and Gecko had built the greatest towel tower in history.
Wait right there. I have the golden towel, but I am 1 hour away. Don't knock it down.
Narrator says, 1 whole hour? That is forever in superhero time. Patience. Patience. Oops. Giggling tone.
Narrator says, Gecko decided to find a distraction.
Oh, no, no!
Narrator says, would the great tower fall before Owlette arrived?
One eternity later.
Phew! That was too close. Only 10 minutes? Time was moving like a slow snail.
Maybe I can just, help the time along.
Narrator says, cheating the clock never works. Staring contest. First to blink loses.
Now, get ready! Yeah! Woohoo!
Narrator says, they had 30 seconds to clean up their waiting game mess.
Gotta get these pillows picked up. Keep sweeping, Catboy. Watch out for that dust. Too late. Poof! Behold, the final piece. Almost there. Watch out! Got it! Narrator says, being patient is hard, but it makes the reward so much better.
Next time, I'm bringing a book. It's a beautiful day at HQ, and Catboy is showing off his super speed. Look how fast I can go!
Uh-oh, looks like someone forgot to clean up.
Nani?
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oof, that's a clumsy tumble.
Nice.
Never fear, the super lizard gadget is here.
Narrator says, Dr. Gecko is ready to help.
We've got you, Catboy. Let's fix that clumsy squeak.
Thanks.
But wait, did Gecko read the instructions?
One eternity later.
Oops. Wrong button.
Hey, that tickles. Let me try the soothing bubble setting.
Wow, a bubble bath for a boot.
Nope.
It feels much better. Thanks, Gecko.
Great teamwork, Dr. Gecko. Uh-oh. It looks like the machine is stuck on super bubble mode. Whoa! Catch it!
Super cat speed! Ah!
Super owl feathers!
Phew, got it.
Well, that was a bubbly adventure.
Next time, I'll clean up my toys so nobody trips.
Oh.
There, all better.
Good idea. A clean playroom is a safe playroom. And remember, teamwork makes playtime the best time.
Oh no! Image 1 took a messy tumble, and someone isn't being very nice! Look at your messy suit, Image 1.
Narrator says, let's rewind 3 minutes to see how this sticky situation started.
I am the fastest. Maybe not today.
Not faster than my new scooter.
Whoopsie! Narrator says, laughing at a friend? That is not the hero way! Oh, whoa! Oh, what? Ah! Don't worry, I will help you.
But wait, did Gecko press the normal wash button or the super soup button?
This tickles.
Wow! A total glow-up!
Look at me, still perfectly clean.
Oh. Ah! Oh dear, the tables have turned.
What? Who is that?
Will Image 1 laugh back, or will he choose to be kind?
Oh. Need a hand, Image 3? You are helping me? Even after I laughed?
Of course! True friends help each other up. Time for another super wash! Wash!
Thank you guys so much. I am sorry I laughed. Huh?
To the hero base! Base! Angly said! Narrator says forgiveness and teamwork always win the day.
Let's do it again tomorrow.
Yeah, best team ever. And that is why kindness makes you the coolest hero. Like and subscribe for more adventures.
Oh no! Image 3 is in big trouble. But how did she get here? I'm so sorry.
Let's rewind 3 hours. Image 2 just got the best toy ever.
Wow. Can I play? Not yet. I want to test it first.
Look at my super speed jump! Whoa! Whoa! Awesome!
Oh, Image 3. Taking things without asking is a big mistake. Ugh.
My mega lizard. Ah! It's gone! This looks like a job for Police Image 1. Don't worry, we will find the toy thief. A clue.
A clue? But who does it belong to?
This isn't fun playing all by myself.
The trail leads to those bushes. Aha! We found you! Uh-oh.
Running away won't solve the problem, Image 3.
What? Gotcha. You can't outrun justice.
It's time for a timeout to think about what you did.
Will Image 3 finally tell the truth?
I'm so sorry. I just wanted to play.
Holden. It made me really sad when you took it without asking.
I should have waited and asked properly. Please forgive me. Because you told the truth and apologized, you are free to go.
Do you want to play with it together now?
Wow, sharing is way more fun than playing alone. And so, the team learned that honesty and sharing always save the day. Always remember to ask first and share with your friends. Like and subscribe for more adventures.
Narrator says, it's a beautiful day for some super school games.
Image 2 says, oh boy, I can't wait to play. Whoa. Whoa. What is this giant thing?
Time for some super gecko muscles. But this plant is as stubborn as a rock. Phew, that's one sticky stick.
Need some help, Gecko?
I sure do, Catboy. Let's go. I can't pull it out. Stand back. Super Cat Speed will yank it right out.
Can Catboy do it alone?
Nice.
I like it, cut G.
Whoa, whoa! Everything is spinning! Ah!
Did someone call for Super Owl wings? Go, Owlette, go! HNNGGH. Come on, just a little higher. Why am I not moving? It's impossible.
Wait a minute. Are they forgetting something?
I know. We have to do this together. Yeah. PJ Masks, all shout hooray! Hooray! Yay! Ready? 1, 2, 3. 2L.
Oh my God!
Pop! Whoa! Woohoo! We did it! Look out! It wasn't a plant. It's a super bouncy ball. This is the best game ever! Some tasks are too big for one hero. But with teamwork, playing together is always a breeze.
Narrator, it was a very rainy day, and Image 1 had a case of the super speed zoomies. Image 1 says,
Inside, Image 1. Look at my tower! Oops, sorry, Image 2. My feet just won't stay still.
oh man!
Let's just... Whoa, you idea. What if we turn the rain into an obstacle course?
Yes!
Narrator! The PJ Masks were ready.
I'm out of here.
Whoa!
Could the rain be too much for our... Stop me! It's time for the Super Roller Challenge.
Image 1 was feeling very confident. Character A, maybe...
Oh, okay.
Okay, maybe rolling in the... You just need a little balance, Image 1.
Wait! If we work together, we can make the ultimate rain ride! Narrator, but could they pull off this slippery stunt? Image 2 says,
I'm out of here.
the track is secure.
Super Owl Wings! Super Owl Wings! I'll be your engine! This is amazing!
One eternity later.
Super cat speed.
Hooray! Hooray! Couldn't have done it without your help.
I guess when things get slippery, teamwork is the best.
And the best part of a rainy day? Splashing in the puddles!
Welcome to the Dino Race! But wait, why is Image 3 crying? My dino won't wake up! Ugh. Let's rewind. Today is the big championship! I can't wait to see the dinosaurs.
Super cat speed! We're gonna win! How? Yes, it is!
Wake up, big guy! The race is starting! I can't leave him, he's too tired. Where is Image 3? Oh no! A crystal thorn! What will she do?
Super gecko muscles!
He was just hurt. Now he feels better. Feels better.
Oh no! We ran too fast!
He's so slow, but so nice. Ooh. Need a lift, Image 1? Thanks. We all need a rest sometimes.
They are in last place! Will the crowd be mad? They're cheering for us! Wow, look at them!
We did it!
For showing the greatest kindness.
What a good boy! What a good boy! I'll always take care of you first.
Being kind is the best victory. Yeah! Woohoo!
Thanks, buddy.
remember, showing kindness and caring for animals makes you a real winner. Like and subscribe for more dino-tastic adventures.